Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you the quickest and easiest way to put a dot above a letter in Google Docs. Let's get right into it. First, open your Google Docs document and place your cursor exactly where you want the letter to appear. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, click directly on Special Characters. A new window will instantly pop up on your screen. Look at the search bar on the right side of this window, type the letter you want, add a space, and then type the word dot. For example, if you need the letter B with a dot over it, simply type B dot in the search bar. The correct character will appear in the results box on the left. Click on that symbol once, and it will be inserted straight into your document. You can now close the special characters window and continue typing. As a quick bonus tip, if you are working with math formulas, you can also use the equation tool. Just go to Insert, select Equation, type a backslash followed by the word dot, press the spacebar, and type your letter. Both methods work perfectly depending on what you are writing. If this guide saved you some time today, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.